If your GREE air conditioner has suddenly stopped responding, keeps acting weird, or just won't cool like it used to, don't panic. In most cases, a simple reset can fix everything in under a minute. Today, I'll walk you through the easiest and most effective ways to reset different GREE AC models and their remotes. Stick with me because one of these methods will almost certainly get your AC back to normal. Let's start with the standard GREE GE series AC units. These models have a tiny reset hole on the control panel. Most people don't even notice it. Look closely near the buttons. You should see a very small pinhole labeled reset. Take a paperclip or toothpick, gently press into the hole and hold for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should hear a beep or see the panel flicker. That's your confirmation that the internal board has restarted. This quick reset alone fixes most unresponsive unit issues. Next, let's talk about the GREE Dream Minlit series. These units don't have a pinhole reset, so you'll use a power cycle reset instead. Turn the AC off first, then press and hold the power button for around 7 to 10 seconds. Now, unplug the unit from the wall. Yes, fully disconnect it. Wait at least 1 full minute to make sure the internal capacitors discharge. After that, plug it back in, turn it on, and let it start fresh. This method works great if your AC is freezing, laggy, or showing random error behavior. Now, a lot of AC problems actually come from the remote, not the AC itself. To reset the remote, remove both batteries and wait until the screen goes completely blank. While the batteries are out, press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. This drains any leftover charge. Reinsert the batteries and test it. Some GREE remotes also have their own built-in reset button. If you see a tiny reset button inside the battery compartment, press and hold it for 10 to 30 seconds for a full remote refresh. And that's it. 3 simple reset methods that can solve most GREE AC problems without calling a technician or spending a single taka. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips. Drop a comment if you want tutorials for specific GREE models. I'm always listening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.